kami po ay kasalukuyang nag-aapulan ng wildfire. Salamat sa Diyos at nabigyan ng pagkakataong tumulong para mapuksa. Kasi nakakatakot ito. Ay, Lord, salamat. Meron pang malaking apoy doon. You were here last week, Chris?
Saturday, Sunday, yeah. You mind trying to roll that over so I can get underneath it?
Thank you for the Malig Fire Department for giving me this chance and opportunity to help. God bless you guys. I'm proud of all the Canadian firefighters hunting for fellow Canadians.
Hey, Fern and Bryce, do you copy?